Symmetry and patterns. Topics covered: symmetry, mirror image, number of lines of symmetry, different views of symmetrical objects, rotational symmetry, patterns, tessellations. Symmetry. When a shape is divided into two equal parts by a line, the shape is said to have symmetry on both sides of the line. The line is called line of symmetry. The shape is called symmetrical. However, the shape alone does not give symmetry. To be symmetrical, the details, color, scheme, etc. within the two parts must be the same. A. Human face. B. Wasp. C. Crab. Mirror image. The two equal parts or halves are reflections, mirror images, of each other. If we place a mirror on the line of symmetry, then the image of one side of the shape will fall exactly on the other side of the shape. We see the same figure within the mirror as we see without the mirror. A mirror image is a reflected duplication of an object that appears almost identical but is reversed in the direction perpendicular to the mirror's surface. As a result, we see a left-right reversal in the mirror. In the same way, a right shoe can be said as the reflection of the left shoe and a right glove as the reflection of the left glove. Number of lines of symmetry. We know the number of lines of symmetry of some common shapes. Isosceles triangle, 1 line of symmetry. Equilateral triangle, 3 lines of symmetry. Rectangle, 2 lines of symmetry. Square, 4 lines of symmetry. Circle, infinite lines of symmetry. To create symmetrical patterns, fold a rectangular sheet of paper into 2 equal halves and punch a hole through it. Open the fold, we see 2 holes equidistant from the fold. To draw symmetric figures along with a line of symmetry, it is just like drawing the mirror image of the given figure part. Take care that the size of the line segments and angles between them is the same in the mirror image. Example 1. Complete the following figures such that the dotted line is the line of symmetry. Solution: a full triangle, another full triangle, and then a full quadrilateral. Different views of symmetrical objects. Symmetrical objects can give different views with different actions. Slides. A slide takes place when a shape moves in one direction from one place to another. Slide it. Slide it thrice. Flips. A flip takes place when a shape is moved over a line and faces the opposite direction. Flip it. Flip it thrice. Turns. A turn takes place when a shape is turned through an angle. Turn it down. Turn it down thrice. Rotational symmetry. Rotation means turning. In geometry, rotating a figure means turning a figure about a fixed given point, known as the center of rotation. For example, the center of rotation of the hands of a clock is the center of the clock face. When an object, after turning through an angle, looks the same, their sameness is called the rotational symmetry. However, when an object rotates, its shape and size do not change.
A-bit. Usually, any two-dimensional shape looks the same after a full turn or complete rotation. After a quarter turn, half turn, and 3/4 turns, some shapes do not look the same. Looking the same means coming back to their original shape. Some shapes will look the same even on a half turn, like a fan having 2 blades. Some shapes will look the same even on a 1/3 turn, like a fan having 3 blades. Some shapes will look the same even on a 1/4 turn, like a fan having 4 blades. Some more examples: 0 degree original, 90 degree quarter, 180 degree half, 270 degree 3/4, 360 degree complete. 0 degree smiley, 90 degree smiley, 180 degree smiley, 270 degree smiley, and 360 degree smiley. Symmetry of English capital letters. Alphabet Z. Line symmetry? No. Number 0. Rotational symmetry? Yes. And the number 2. Letter S. Line symmetry? No. Number 0. Rotational symmetry? Yes. Number 2. Alphabet H. Line symmetry? Yes. Number 2. Rotational symmetry? Yes. Number 2. Alphabet O. Line symmetry? Yes. Number 2. Rotational symmetry? Yes. Number 2. Alphabet E. Line symmetry? Yes. Number 1. Rotational symmetry? No. Number 0. Alphabet N. Line symmetry? No. Number 0. Rotational symmetry? Yes. And the number is 2. Alphabet C. Line symmetry? Yes. Number 1. Rotational symmetry? No. Number 0. Rotation or turn of square, rectangle, equilateral triangle, regular hexagon and a circle. A square looks the same on 1/4 quarter turn, rectangle on half turn, equilateral on 1/3 turn, hexagon on 1/6 turn, circle on any turn. A circle looks the same on turning through any angle every time. Patterns. A pattern is an arrangement of lines, shapes, or colors on a surface repeated again and again, usually for decoration. Objects look beautiful because of patterns. There are patterns in nature everywhere. Flowers and leaves in plants, crystals in rocks, etc. Humans create patterns in drawings on tiles, clothes, jewelry, building, etc. Arrangement, that is movement of shapes in a pattern, may be in various ways: slides, flips, and turns. Tessellations. A pattern formed by repeating figures that fit together without gaps or overlaps is a tessellation. Tessellations are formed using slides, flips, or turns of congruent figures. Figures that have the same size and shape are congruent figures. You can see the congruent figures and the figures that are not congruent. Figures that have the same shape but not necessarily the same size are called similar figures. Similar but not congruent. These are triangles which are not similar. Only congruent figures can tessellate. Similar figures cannot necessarily tessellate. Creating patterns. In the following example, see the creation of a pattern by a curve. In each step, one curved line is added in the clockwise direction. We can repeat the same design over and over again. We can rotate the basic design by half turn and repeat the two designs. We can repeat the basic design with 1/4 turn every time. But all these are not tessellations. Different kind of tessellations. Some designs of tiles on floor or walls of a room are the following. Values and life skills. You visit monuments to enjoy their beauty of symmetry like the Taj Mahal in Agra, Charminar in Hyderabad and Lotus Temple in Delhi. Do not litter the monuments, that is, do not spit there, do not throw plastic bags there, do not write on their walls.